If you're looking for a compact water booster pump, you've probably come across the GRUNDFOS SCALA 1 and SCALA 2. And honestly, they look pretty similar. So, which one should you actually buy? Let's break it down. The SCALA 1 is the more affordable option. It's designed to boost water pressure in homes, gardens, and smaller water systems. It's compact, it's easy to install, and it can be controlled through the GRUNDFOS Go app. That's a big plus if you like having control from your phone. But there's a catch. The SCALA 1 is more of a straightforward solution. You get good pressure boosting, but it doesn't offer the same level of pressure control as the SCALA 2. That's where the SCALA 2 gets interesting. The SCALA 2 uses intelligent pressure management. It automatically adjusts its performance as your water demand changes. So, if someone turns on a shower while another person opens a tap, the pump works to keep the pressure steady, and you can really notice the difference. The SCALA 2 also has a reputation for being quiet. That makes it a better choice if the pump is installed close to living areas. But there is one major downside: price. The SCALA 2 usually costs more. So, which one is best? If you want something simple, compact, and more budget-friendly, I'd go with the SCALA 1. But if consistent water pressure, quieter operation, and smarter performance matter more to you, the SCALA 2 is the better pick. Personally, I think the SCALA 2 is worth paying extra for if you use multiple water outlets at the same time. But for basic water boosting, the SCALA 1 can save you money without giving you a bad experience. So, SCALA 1 for value, SCALA 2 for performance. The best choice really depends on what you need.